This is Manish, and today we will learn how to compare two integer number with if statement with if technique using Java. Okay, so start. Very first time I create a class as usually. Class, I think it is a test 4. Sorry. And write a program. Very first time, if public static void main string args. Okay, fine. Now I declared two variables, int a and any other number b. I initialize with this some value 23 and v equal to 55. Okay, you can pass these value by user at runtime. You can watch my previous video test 4. Okay, with the test 4 title you can watch. So you can take input by user using scanner class, but now I'm defining only simply 23 and 56. Then using if. Okay, if we take a control statement where you have to use some operator, say greater than. If you are checking greater value, then you have to using greater symbol. B sub braces, and you can pass any message system dot out dot print, and you can pass any message like a is greater than b. Okay, fine. But just suppose a is not greater than b, so what will happen? It will not throw any message. Okay, so you have to pass other statement else. If this condition return true, it will print first message, but it will return any false message, then it will print the second message, and the second message is this. It means a and b. Okay, check this program. Class test 4 public static void main this integer a and b, a is b 56. Okay, good. Save this program. I save this program with the same name of class name. It means test in Java folder 4.java. Okay, I think it should not be problem. And open command, and very first time compile this program. So Java C, and my program name is test, my class name is test4.java. Enter. Wait for the action. It will throw any error message or complete message. It will throw a message. Oh, sorry. We have to use semicolon, not a comma. Okay, again save and go there and write this same code for the compilation of the program. wait. Okay. Fine, there is no error message, so it means it's ready to run. And I read the program Java, only Java, and test 4, then enter. Here the answer is B is greater than A. Okay, check. 56 is a greater than 26. If just suppose B is the less than A, then what will happen? I save it and again compile this program. Then run. Okay. You are watching A is a greater than B. It means A is a 26 and B is a 5. So A is a greater than B. I think you understand. Now again we will learn how to compare three numbers. Okay, just practice on your notebook and try yourself. But if you are not able to do this program, watch my next video, test 4. Okay, so now is thanks, and I think you should follow this banner for latest or all videos. Subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. All okay, so you can follow this message, and I think you should follow this message. Thank you.